like I'm not fired after all. I just got a DoorDash for Popeyes. Let's go. Yeah, dude, I got an email from DoorDash saying that I was not allowed to be on their platform. And yesterday I wasn't getting any jobs at all. And I thought I was like shadow banned or something. But it looks like everything's all good.
Popeyes, would you like to scan for rewards today?
No, I got to order pickup order. Alright, just like that. And we are back to work. How far away is this, Atlantic? Oh, that's not bad. Driving with no headlights on.
In a half mile, take exit 47. Then keep right to take Air Base Parkway. Keep right to take Air Base Parkway toward Air Base Parkway. High beams only help if you have reflectors on the street, so you can light up the reflectors and see those. Otherwise, fog light or the high beams are kind of stupid to use. Alright, let's see here. Oh man, I'm so stoked that I still get to do this. Like, I don't really talk too much about my personal life, but yeah, it's been really hard finding a job. I didn't have a license for 3 years, mandatory, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I just couldn't legally drive for 3 years because I got a DUI and the cop lied about me not cooperating. It's like, why is like the drunk person being held to a higher standard than law enforcement, you know? And so man, this thing's probably need new tires. But yeah, so it's been really hard trying to find a job. I've been lying my ass off, trying to get work on Indeed. No luck there. So when I read that you could get job with DoorDash if you had a DUI over 7 years old, and I realized that my DUI was coming up on the 7-year mark just last week when I applied. So initially they said that I could not work there, and then I emailed them, and the next thing I know, my app works and it says I can go dashing. So I've just been trying to do that, and this past weekend, you know, I made like $130, and that felt pretty good. And I know I can make more money. I just gotta get over my irrational fear of driving. And on the freeway, I get really bad anxiety going on the freeway, and a lot of it has to do with this accident that I got into last year, the day before I got my license reinstated. I got ran over by a truck, and I can't believe I haven't done a video on it yet, but yeah, I got ran over by a pickup truck out on a bike ride, and I was just standing still in a parking lot. I'll do a whole video on that, but I got ran over, it messed up my legs pretty bad. These guys, these fucking Priuses, just seem to run. I don't even care if I don't get a lot of offers tonight, because honestly, I'm just stoked that I'm not canceled. Looks like somebody had a whoops-a-daisy into that. Whoops-a-daisy.
Will be on the left.
That was a good call.
Taco Express is on the left.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I got a pickup for, I was thinking about going to Cordelia, and this job takes me to Cordelia so I can get an idea of what Cordelia is like.
2100 West Texas Street will be on the right.
Alright, so I got one order for Cordelia, and then while I was waiting there, another order came in. So, quick little additional $3. Whoever did the layout on the numbers of this apartment complex, your mom's a hoe, dude. That's, how is 185 on the top floor and 183 is on the bottom floor? What the fuck? Alright, let's float on to Cordelia. To the Momo. Let's get to the Momo.
Well, I guess that's it. Quick little 20 bucks, I guess. Was out for an hour and a half, but I only drove for 30 minutes, so that's, you know, take that as you may, you know, like $40 an hour, or is that, you know, less than that?